Hello everyone, I am Rian Kenyon, and this is my MIS Systems Analysis and Design for the USTP Onondaga campus, specifically in the Department of Information Technology. So the USTP Onondaga campus is a satellite campus of the USTP system, and it has the Department of Information Technology involved. The department offers the BSIT program, which includes the study of the utilization of both hardware, software technologies that involves planning, installing, customizing, operating, innovating, managing, administering, and maintaining information technology infrastructure that provides computing solutions to address the needs of an organization. My SWOT analysis for this, for the department or for our organization, which has its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And its strengths is that the faculty and staff are qualified. They are highly skilled and experienced educators, researchers, and also technical staffs. The cutting-edge curriculum, which is up-to-date courses aligned with industry standards for with AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. The modern infrastructure, the well-equipped labs, robust networking facilities, and access to advanced software tools. The strong research output, publications with journals, and collaborations with industries. The industry partnerships, strong relationships with IT companies for internships, placements, and joint projects. The student success, which has high employability rates and competitive achievements and entrepreneurial initiatives. The accreditation and recognition. So, the department recently got its level 1 accreditation for the children. Its weaknesses is we have limited budget. It's constrained on funding for advancing technologies and research initiatives. So the dependence on external tools is also a weakness because over-reliance on third-party software instead of developing tools. The outdated teaching methods. So there are still inadequate use of interactive or experiential learning techniques. The retention challenges. Difficulty in retaining top faculty due to competition from the private sectors or other institutions. The limited interdisciplinary collaboration, which has weak links with other departments or faculties. Then the student to faculty ratio, which there is the high enrollment with limited teaching staff. So it affects personalized attention to our students. The alumni engagement, the lack of robust alumni network for mentoring and researching. Of course, there will also come for opportunities, which are emerging technologies that incorporates AI, blockchain, Internet of Things into the curriculum and research. The industry demand, the growing need for IT professionals globally, leading to better placement opportunities. The global partnerships, collaborations with international universities for exchange programs and joint research. Government grants and funding, availability of funds for innovation and development in IT education. The online education expansion. So offering online degrees, certifications, or mode of online certificates to reach a wider audience. Startups and incubation. So encouraging entrepreneurship by creating incubation centers. The data-driven decision-making by using analytics to improve administrative, academic, and research performance. So the projects in identification. So the Integrated Information Technology Management System, or the ITMS, is a centralized platform designed to streamline and enhance the management of IT or the information technology and academic operations within a university setting. The project addresses the increasing need for an efficient and unified system to support diverse stakeholders, including students, faculty, IT staff, and administrators. So the ITMs aims to provide seamless access to academic resources, IT support, research tools, and resource management capabilities, ensuring operational excellence and superior user experience. The conceptual design. So this is just the basic design for how the system would work. It starts on the landing page, and once authenticated or verified, it will lead you to a dashboard depending on its credentials, whether you are a faculty, a student, an administrator, and a staff. So the faculty handles courses, and handles the project collaboration within your students. Then you can also submit tickets to the IT staff for any issues regarding your IT necessities. And of course, they have to generate reports. So faculty can generate reports for their compliance reports and any other kind of reports. Next is the student dashboard, which where they can register courses and manage their courses, their grades within the institution, and the project collaboration with their faculty advisors for their research, and of course the submit tickets mobile for the IT necessities. Next is the administrator, which handles all the resources of the institution or the university, which it has a resource request model for its dashboard. They allocate resources and of course the IT submit tickets model. Of course, they also have generate their reports module for compliance reports and also any kind of reports that they need. Then the IT staff, where they handle the tickets for the issues and tickets they can manage and resolve during their operations for the system. And of course, it's notification. So any kind of notifications, they can be updated and be notified if there are any updates in status within the collaboration or the or on their operations. So systems and user interfaces. This is the context of computing that refers to structured or set of components to be hardware, software, data, and processes that work together to perform specific tasks or achieve certain objectives. Systems are designed to manage resources, execute operations, and provide services efficiently. Some examples may include operating systems, enterprise systems, and information management systems. So here is a sample interface for the login page. You have your username and password label and the login button. Of course, this is the student dashboard. So here we can see the different modules for the students to interact and their registered courses and their grades. And of course, the important announcements within the institution or the university. Same case with the faculty. They also have their own modules and models, their courses handled, the request resources for the administrator, and of course, their announcements. Next is the administrator, where you can see the requests, the resource requests from faculties and staff, and allocate the resources that you need. And of course, the submit tickets and the reports generation. Next is the IT staff, which only involves the tickets that they receive or the issue tickets and the tickets that they can resolve, and then the reports for their compliance reports and the reports. So lastly, you have the logout button, so you can log out anytime if you want to. So system requirements are the softwares or programming languages that you're going to use in developing the system is the HTML for structuring the content of a web application, and then the JavaScript for dynamic and interactive functionalities such as form validations and real-time templates. The CSS to design and style the user interface or professional and user experience, excuse me, and PHP for backend processing, so server-side scripting and interaction with the database. And the database will be handled by MySQL Workbench, design, manage, and query your database efficiently with secure and structured data storage. For future recommendations, the system would like to recommend or implement a mobile application for mobility of operations and different kinds of screens to handle with your daily work and operations. Then the two-factor authentication for security purposes of any account within the system. The AI analytics for any reports and analysis involving involved work so that it can be automated. And lastly, the feedback module. So any kind of feedback within the system or any kind of other recommendations and suggestions that need to be improved and innovated can be feedback by users in the system. Here is the Gantt chart or the implementation plan for the system. So um, we plan to start the development around next year of 2025. So requirement analysis would be the whole month of January to February. This is a system design for February to March. The database development for March to April, and April to May will be the testing and the quality assurance, and hopefully we can deploy the system by 25th of June, and then so on and so forth, since we are using the agile development for the development of the system. So again, we are iterating, or we iteratively create the system depending on user feedback, because it is a user-centered approach kind of development cycle. So overall, I think that is my systems analysis and design implementation for the information management system that I have created, or I have proposed. So thank you for sharing. If you have any questions, just email or email to me, and my references for this are these journals, books, and articles. So I think that's all. Thank you very much.